Learn the concept big and small. Kids, here you can see two fruits. Which are they? Right, watermelon and one apple. Watermelon is big and the apple is small. Watermelon is big and the apple is small. Big, small. Big, small. Kids, what is this? Right, fish. Okay, how many fishes are there? 1, 2. 2 fishes. Okay, both are of same size? No. One is big and the other one is small. One fish is big and the other one is small. Big fish, small fish. Big fish, small fish. Kids, here you can see two vehicles. One bus and other one is bicycle. Which one is big? Right, bus is big, big bus. And the bicycle is small. Big bus and small bicycle. Kids, here you can see one bird and one beautiful butterfly. Which one is big? Butterfly or bird? Right, bird is big and the butterfly is small. Bird is big and the butterfly is small. Big bird, small butterfly. Kids, here you can see two chairs. One chair is big and the other chair is small. This chair is big and this chair is small. Big chair, small chair. Kids, here you can see two balls. One ball is big and the other ball is small. Big ball, small ball. This ball is big and this ball is small. Big ball, small ball. Kids, here you can see one elephant and one rat. Which animal is big? Right, elephant is big and rat is small. Big elephant and small rat. Big elephant and small rat.
Today I have a new lesson for you. It's a lot of fun. Can you see the picture in front of you? There are two ice cream cones. Yes, one is big and one is small. Today we are going to do big and small. Big means bada, small means chota. So are you ready? Great. See the two balls. One is a football. The other is a tennis ball. The football is big. The tennis ball is small. Do you see this picture? There is a hen and there is a chick. The hen is big. The chick is small. See, a brother and a sister. The sister is big, Didi badi, and the brother is small, Bhaiya chota. Now, you tell me who is big? Is the elephant big or is the ant big? Tell me. You are right. The elephant is big. The ant is small. And now tell me, what is big? Is the tree big? Or is the plant big? You are right. The tree is big. The plant is small. Now it's time for some fun activities. Children, collect big and small objects from your home. For example, a big ball and a small ball, a big spoon and a small spoon, a big plate and a small plate. It can be anything. Now, point to the big object and say, "This ball is big." And then point to the small one and say, "This ball is small." Do this for all the objects. Okay? Excellent. Now, this is a lot of fun. Boys, wear Papa's shirt or t-shirt and shoes and say, "I am small." The dress is big. And "I am small." The shoes are big. Girls, do the same. Wear Mama's dress or top and shoes and say, "I am small." The dress is big. And "I am small." The shoes are big. Try this at home. Try these two activities. And don't forget to send pictures to Anubha ma'am. I really miss you all. Bye-bye. Take care.
Kids, let's learn our new cursive H stroke. It starts from second blue line. Move towards the upper red line. Take a loop. Touch the second blue line. Take a downward curve and move towards the first blue line. See? Slanting line. Take a loop. Take a downward curve. So again take a little curve and move towards the first blue line. Let's practice in a notebook. Let's see, children. Children, start from the second blue line. Take a loop, downward curve. Again you should take a slanting line. See? Slanting loop, downward curve, slanting loop, downward curve. Understand? Don't raise your hand while writing in a 4-line notebook. Let's learn our new cursive K stroke. Always we should start from the second blue line, touch the red line, take a loop. Here keep in mind, children, you know capital R, no? We should write in a form of capital R. Understand? See, I will teach you once again. Start from the second blue line, touch the red line, take a loop, again touch the second blue line, go back again, touch the first blue line and make a little curve and again slanting and take a slanting towards the first blue line. See, it is in the form of capital R, children. Practice K carefully, it's little difficult. Let's practice in a notebook. See? It's very easy. Slanting line, loop in the form of capital R. slanting line, loop in the form of capital R. Understand, children? Practice carefully. K is little difficult, children. Observe carefully while writing in your notebook. And while writing in your notebook, please don't lift your hand. I hope you all understood, children. Today's homework is write H and K cursive strokes 5 lines each. It is very difficult, children. Practice and write properly. And LTB cursive strokes 4 lines each. So only you should write this much, children, today. And you have to send the video of big and small things with 5 examples and do the given worksheets. Thank you.